Most people get this wrong when opening a bank account for their LLC. They assume every business bank account is the same, or they accept monthly fees without question. But here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong bank can quietly drain your profits every single month. In this video, you will learn the best banks for LLC owners with no monthly fee in 2026, how they actually work, and how to choose the right one for your business. Let's get right into it. First, understand why this matters. Your LLC bank account is where all your business money flows. So when Alex gets paid by clients, pays expenses and tracks income, everything goes through this account. If the bank charges fees, those costs add up fast. Now here's where it gets interesting. A no monthly fee business bank is not just about saving money. It also helps small businesses stay lean, especially in the first year when cash flow is tight. But here's the problem most beginners face. They choose a bank based only on branding or convenience, not fees, transaction limits, or hidden requirements. Then they get surprised by monthly charges or strict conditions. Let's break down the best types of no monthly fee banks for LLC owners in 2026. First, online business banks. These are digital-first banks with zero physical branches. They often offer no monthly fees, free transfers, and easy setup. If John runs an online business, this is usually the simplest option. Second, traditional banks with fee waivers. These banks may charge fees, but they remove them if you maintain a minimum balance or meet transaction requirements. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake LLC owners make when choosing a bank that ends up costing them more money in the long run. Third, fintech business accounts. These are modern platforms that combine banking tools with expense tracking, invoicing, and integrations for small businesses. Fourth, credit union business accounts. These are member-based institutions that often offer lower fees and more personalized service. Fifth, startup-friendly business banks. These are designed specifically for new LCEs and often include free accounts for the first year. Now let's talk real-world usage. In 2026, popular no-fee or low-fee options include online banks like digital-first business platforms, credit unions, and selected traditional banks that offer waiver-based accounts. The key is not the brand, but the fee structure. So, how do you actually choose the right one? Step 1 is check monthly maintenance fees. Step 2 is review transaction limits. Step 3 is look at integration tools like accounting software support. Step 4 is confirm deposit and withdrawal options that match your business needs. Here is a real example. Alex runs a small LLC and chooses an online bank with no monthly fee and free transfers. He avoids unnecessary costs and uses integrated tools to track expenses, saving both time and money. So are no monthly fee banks worth it for LLC owners in 2026? Yes, especially for small and growing businesses where every dollar matters. To wrap it up, the best bank is not just the one with no fee, but the one that supports your business operations without hidden costs or limitations. If this helped you, like the video, comment what type of business you run, and subscribe for more simple business guides that help you grow smarter every day.